Shirts, jackets, pants, belts, ties, and shoes. These were just a few items that could be found at today's career closet. And the coolest part about these items is that you could have gotten 3 free of charge. And this is all to prepare students for the future.
We really hope students can find some outfits, like I said, to wear to their career, to wear to their internships. Even if they don't find something today, just to be aware of what's acceptable in that kind of setting.
The career closet lasted from 11 until 3 today and gave students plenty of options to choose from. And one student was able to give us a little rundown of all they had to offer to find that perfect job attire.
Definitely they have a lot of suits, 2-piece, 3-piece. They got a lot of shoes. Like I said, I was attracted to the ties, but they also have a lot of, especially for women's, they definitely have a lot of purses, belts, whatnot. So they actually, and I mean, I'm looking at jewelry right now. You know, they got it all.
The Career Closet has been operating since 2018, where they receive donations of gently used clothing items from faculty and staff on Troy's campus. The Office of Career Services is not done for the semester, as they have one more big event planned at a local JCPenney.
So coming up, we have our JCPenney Suit Up event. That's going to be March 31st. It's a Sunday. It's in Dothan. They're shutting down the store for us, and students are going to be able to come get 40% off professional wear. We also have our career fair. That's April 3rd from 10 to 2 in the ballrooms.
The Career Closet will make another appearance next semester, and all you need is your Trojan ID to get up to 3 free clothing items. Aaron Dixon, Troy, TrojanVision News.